Hi guys, this is Drew. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to watch a video on your MG vehicles. This vehicle I'm using is the all-new MG HS. You could use this same technology and same method to play a video on your MG3, MG ZS, MG HS, and pretty much all the other MG products. In the first part, I'll show you how to play a video from your USB stick. In the second part, I'll show you how to play a video or play YouTube or other media content from something else. Use the timestamps down below on YouTube if you want to skip forward, and let's get started. Alright, first part, how to play a video from your USB. Very simple. Find your USB storage. Generally speaking, you are going to find the standard USB-A from the left port where you connect your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto things. Download something onto your USB, and generally speaking, any standard video files will be fine, like MP4 or anything else. Plug this in and give it a couple seconds. There we go, disc is inserted. You can select music or video, but in some cases you don't need to do anything. You just need to swap the screen to find video over here. On some older generation vehicles, you want to swap the bottom part to find video on that part. Click the video over here. Then you can see we have two folders, video 1 and video 2. I'll use the video 2 and I'll click over here. There we go, we can now see the video from the storage. It's pretty simple. You can increase the volume, decrease the volume. If you want to go back, click here to go back. Again, go back to the video and click over here. That'll resume the video. You can pause, you can go to next, you can change whatever you like. But here's the catch, you cannot watch the video while the vehicle is on drive. I'm going to put the vehicle on drive right now. And then it will go. There we go. For safety reasons, video cannot be played while the vehicle is moving. Just for safety reasons, it's not going to allow you to do that. Alright, the next part, I'll show you how to play a media file or video from another device. This product is from a place called Binize. I'll leave the affiliated link down below if you wish to purchase this, or alternatively, there are other products available. But this one is the cheapest product that's available. I'll leave the numbers on the screen for the pricing. And do remember, you can use my promo code to get some discount. Now this is how this unit works. Just like your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you need to plug in to the USB cord over there. And once it's plugged in, the screen will show up. This is basically the Android system from this particular device. The first couple features this device will offer you is the Auto Kit with wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay, which is really cool. But today we'll focus on how to play a YouTube and video from this device. As built-in, this device has YouTube built-in. Otherwise, you can go to Google Store to play whatever you like. Now, if we go to the settings first, click the settings on the top, we can find the Wi-Fi connection. Under the Wi-Fi, we just need to connect to some sort of Wi-Fi. Now, I have used my phone as a hotspot, so it is connected to the Wi-Fi. That means I can just go back and go back to YouTube. Now I can find myself on YouTube. I click one of my channels, content. And after that, the video is playing. And just like what you do on your phone with the YouTube, you can do everything just over here. Pause, cancel, settings, whatever you wish to do the YouTube settings. Not only that, this device will also give you a TF card slot. That means you can download something onto your TF card, then plug it in the TF card under the storage unit. Then you need to do just go to video and play a video through that screen. So it's going to be higher resolution and it will consume no data from your device. Apart from that, you can also do Disney+, Netflix, TikTok if you have such account. The last one, I personally would never encourage you to do that, but if you have to, you can go forward, and as the vehicle is moving, the video will be still playing. Again, I do not encourage that. It's absolutely wrong to do that while you are driving, but if you have to do it for whatever the reasons, it is possible. with this particular device. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you do not forget to subscribe, like. That's the best way to support the channel. As always, I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.